Cassie?
Yes, but first I'm going to tell you guys what we're baking. So since it's almost Valentine's Day, we decided to make it special.
Okay.
So we're going to make Valentine's cake pops.
Okay, we're gonna be making Valentine's Day cake pop!
Okay, let's begin now.
Are you ready, Cassie?
Yeah!
Alright, so what are the ingredients, Cassie?
Okay, so we need these already made chocolate.
Okay, there we go. By the way, this is ready-made already to save time. Okay?
Yes.
So it is a ready-made chocolate cake bars.
Yes.
Okay,
The
what else,
second
Cassie?
one is going to be these chocolate sprinkles. It's
This is a white chocolate
yeah.
bottle.
I just forgot
Because
to
we're going to melt this later.
Okay.
Okay? And these are the
What do you call
for
it?
the decorations.
decoration.
Okay, for the decoration.
We forgot something.
What?
We forgot that.
Okay, and what else, Cassie?
And this one, the red coloring.
Red coloring, because we decided since it's Valentine's Day, the theme of or the design of the cake pops will be Valentine's Day theme. So I decided to buy a red coloring for the cake pops. We will melt the chocolates and turn it into red balls and pink balls.
Okay, lastly, we have this.
What do you call that? Cupcake liners. It's a mini cupcake liner.
And also, don't forget,
Some sticks.
like some sticks. And we also need cream
Cream
cheese.
cheese. This one. I'll show them. Cream cheese. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, since the cake is already made, we are going to mash it. Okay.
Yeah.
So when we mash it, we have to get the gloves. Okay. Let's not use our hands for this. Okay. So I will get the gloves.
My nose is
So we have plastic gloves because we are going to mash it. Cassie, you use one glove. Just use one, okay? Make sure that the food is well prepared and it's clean. Let's mash the chocolate. Let's just use one hand.
It's
Be
like
careful, don't mess.
it's like yeah,
It's
but
like this, oh, it's kinetic sand.
it's light. Yeah, that was what I was about to say.
You mash it.
This is like really kinetic sand.
So while Cassie's smashing it, I will prepare the white chocolate. So I will heat the pan and boil the water and melt the white chocolate. Okay? Cassie, ah. So now let's add the cream cheese.
Can I move it?
No, not yet. Let's add the cream cheese so that it will solidify.
Oh, you're going to do that. Can I also help?
You want help?
Say like different.
Oh.
Yes, it's so cold. So I'll just keep going. Have to be careful because this may.
See?
It's
So, when it's formed, we are gonna start forming it into balls. Okay?
yeah.
The time we're gonna be
But I need 2 gloves because I'm gonna use them.
let me I'll just do one. Okay. For the size of the balls to be consistent, we have to use this scooper. Okay? Para even ang sizes ng balls.
Oh, I think
Ganito lang.
that's the.
The right size for the cake. Since our cupcake planners, no, I will be prepared and then you will be ready.
That kind of looks like a.
I think I also need another one. So now you can roll the ball.
I'm a master of making
mix like this.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So if it's finished, Cassie.
Please cut that part.
Let's put it here. So Cassie, what colors do you want for a cake box?
I just want like pink and red.
Pink, red, and baby white. Are you having fun, Cassie?
Yes, of course.
So we're done forming all these balls. Ayan siya. Okay. And then, dun sa side na yun, minimelt ko na yung white chocolate. And while waiting for the white chocolate, I will be putting this in the ref for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
So we will get back to you after 15 to 20 minutes. Okay?
Bye.
So let's put the chocolate, white chocolate here and melt it.
Yeah.
Okay, so the chocolate is already done. So let's get the chocolate balls, okay?
Okay.
So chocolate balls, and I will get the white chocolate. Excuse me. Let's divide it into two.
Where's the dipping part?
Okay. And then the other one here, because we're gonna be making color red and color pink, right? Okay, now we're ready to color into the.
Ball.
Now we have red gel food coloring.
Yeah.
So, okay. You want to do it on the other side, Cassie? So I'll be making pink. You're gonna be making the pink. I will be making the pink.
This is so cool, guys. I never experienced.
Decorating na. Gusto ko dark red. Yung sa'yo kasi it's done na eh. So, wait for me. Pero just keep on mixing it. I will be dipping. So, sa red part muna tayo ah. I'll try to dip. How are you using this? Let's dip this one.
I want to dip also.
I'll try first. Okay, I'll put it sa red part. And then,
Should I do this?
okay, so this is my side and this is Cassie's side. So let's just make an example of how to decorate, okay? What? is the finished product.
Whoa!
There you go. So if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like,
Subscribe and turn on post notifications. And so that whenever time we post a brand new video, you will know.
So guys, thank you for watching. This is the finished product and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we